Damn it. I don't know what I installed on my world. No, I didn't install anything on my world. I don't know why this is happening to me. I don't know if I can keep living in this world, potato chip. Let me in! I can't keep doing this. Oh, I heard something. Oh well. Use it for mining. Axe. Right, I don't have any. That's probably the only wood source I'm going to be able to use. I better hell not. I guess I'll just make one of those, because why not? More potential. I need an axe. Oh, I made an axe. Alright. Is this really a good spot to make a mine shaft? I don't know. I miss my old home. I can't go back. Sign. I don't think they were joking. Whatever that sign was flying. I don't think they were joking. Zombies. That's cool. This worked? No way. Yeah, this is right. I don't want to look like a complete dunce. There we go. That's better. Don't tell me that was open. Or I'm nervous. I'm hearing a lot of zombies. There's a lot of gravel here. Now I'm hearing this like few things. Talking about a whole heap of gravel. But nevertheless, I'm making it for. Chest. Dump some stuff in. And we're gonna keep that. That's actually a pretty useful tool. I need, no, not just one, two. Do I need this? Nah. What else do I not need? I don't need this anymore. Sticks, nor do I have. What do I do with all this flint? Wait, what can I do with flint? Actually, I think a big bed would open this. Nice. I really need torches. Like, that's non-negotiable. I need torches. But I don't know where I'm going to find coal for them. What was that? Is it? Playing this. I'm going to bed now. Oh, what the? Nope. No. What the fuck? Is it? No. It can't be in there. Wait, what? What? That. Huh? That's not possible. Alright, that was unpleasant, to say the least. Did it not like you mining? What? I don't even know how to describe what I just saw. It was like nothing I've ever seen. And I've been playing this mode for a few days now. I think I've just awoken a whole new layer. Oh my god. I'm getting chills. I have chills running down my spine. I am horrified. However, I've just awoken. I'm making as many torches as I can. I don't care. No. 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 They're going all around the house. No. No. I don't. No. They're all... Figured that problem out. Actually, you know what I need to do? I need to cook this iron so I can make some tools with it. But in that case, go make some more. Yeah, I can hear you down there. Not that I want to, but I can hear you. Alright. Hang on. Sticks. I still really want to know what the hell was breaking blocks when I was in the mine shaft. Or when I was mining. What the hell was that? Get up. Oh my god. Alright, that's better. I mean, seriously, what was that? I mean... Actually, you know what? Never mind. I don't want to know. This will keep it secret for all I care. I just wanted to have a fun little Let's Play, but no. Apparently, the world has other ideas. Yep. Do I need it? Nah. Let's see. This on the other hand should do wonders. Oh yeah. Alright. Do I need it all? I'm gonna keep those torches, because... Hang on. I need a shield. But I don't need too many of them. Sticks. Where am I gonna find a tripwire hook? Can you make a tripwire hook?